I'm going to give you a tour of my 144 square foot tiny house in my backyard. It's a 12 by 12 building with 8-foot edge ceilings and then about a 3-4 foot pitched roof. So it's right here in my backyard. It only cost me $3,500 to build. My goal was to try to build a building that was cost effective and used up all the materials. You walk right into the living room here and you can see I've got an AC unit in the wall up there that's controlled by a remote control. That couch pulls out into a full bed. You've got a kitchenette right here that we'll go over here in a little bit. Obviously I've got my books all over the place. This little loft is built to be a bedroom, but I'm using it for storage right now because people are just sleeping on the couch. But that loft holds a full mattress, and that loft is held up by a support beam built inside of that bookshelf right there. This is the over on this side. You can see I've got a little bit of a storage unit here for shoes, since it's right by the door. This is the fresh air exchange unit that makes sure that the air inside is fresh and decreases humidity and risk of mold. This is the kitchenette. I've got a few cabinets and the fridge and freezer combo, microwave, obviously coffee maker, single sink, and down on the bottom there I've got my 4-gallon hot water tank, Bosch hot water tank, and that's what gets me hot water primarily to the shower. We really try to reserve the hot water for the shower. The full bath is right in here inside this sliding door. You've got a galvanized corrugated roof shower with a shower pan. It's about 2 foot by 3 foot. And then you've got the toilet right there on the side. And then there's this little nook right here that I'm going to make a closet out of. You can see my internet access point right there. So I'm still got to hide that a little better, but that's going to become a little closet. And then I've got this last little place for people to store their shelving unit for people to store their clothes. In those black cloth drawers, and obviously the TV there. Tiny houses nowadays, people are spending so much money, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. This thing costs $3,500. You can build one yourself.